Hey guys, I'm Shawn coming at you from Waco, Texas. Today we're going to learn how to play a Bob Seger song, Like a Rock. Let's take a listen to the beginning. All right, so we have slow, and he's singing, dun dun dun. One more measure up here. All right, guys. Welcome to webpianoteacher.com, our online community where we gather together to learn, play, and share the music that we love, creating a culture of encouragement for all you guys out there who are trying to play piano online. You can do it if you pick the right lessons and you know how to practice. I'm going to help you do those things today, right now. All right, so there's some bands that just have great piano music in them, right? Bob Seger's one of them, and then you could, Leonard Skinner and the Rolling Stones have a great piano player. Bruce Springsteen, you could go on, but definitely Bob Seger's one of those that has some great piano solos in it. And this one has piano in it, but it also has a lot of guitar, so I kind of combine everything to where you can play all the goodies that are in this song on the piano, and it sounds like the original. All right, let's get to it. Remember, if you are a member, you can download this sheet I have up here. I have it kind of zoomed in on the beginning, but you can, once you download it, you can put it on the screen like this. You can print it out. It's a great tool to have when you're practicing. All right, so what I've done here at the beginning, it's kind of a slow song. And if you're like me, growing up in the 80s, I learned this song from the truck commercial. And I had no idea it was a Bob Seger song. Great song, but it was all over the TV, wasn't it? So we'll start off with an A flat chord, left hand on an A flat, then we have right hand on E flat, A flat, C. So we have 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Count 4, we go to a D flat chord, F, A flat, D flat. So bare bones, you just have 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Okay? We're going to do that 6 times. The first 4 are for the intro, and then the last 2 our Bob comes in and starts singing for 2 measures, and then we continue, okay? So it's 6 times total. Now what we have is we have the guitar doing this, and then sometimes it does this. So I have several options for you here to adapt this to piano. You can do this. You could put that down an octave for the left hand. You can do this, E flat, F, A flat. That works on piano to do that. That would sound really weird on the guitar if it was that low. But it works on piano to do that. So you could do this. Just make sure you don't blur the pedal. Don't do this. That doesn't sound good, does it? So that's one way of doing it. Another way is to actually play that in the right hand and put it here, E flat, F, A flat. So you actually still play the A flat, D flat, but you play this instead of the F. So that sounds like this. Put a little A flat in front of it. And then another thing you could do is sometimes do it with the left hand. See the options? Another thing you could do is move the left hand up a little bit, let the left hand help out. So just find out what works for you. Okay? But anyway, it has to happen 6 times. And if you have trouble with this, da-da-dum, then just don't worry about it. Just do the chord. Sometimes da-da-dum, it does that da-da-dum, so you can do that sometimes too. So what I'm trying to give you is options for this, and just have fun with it as you play it 6 times. But, don't play it the same way 6 times in a row. That's kind of boring. Kind of change it up. Okay? So you do it 4 times, and then for the intro, 2 times for Bob singing, and then at 19 seconds, we change. Seems like we've been on that measure forever, right? Okay, and again, this is the guitar playing this, so you're totally fine if you don't want to play that because it is a guitar part if you want to just play chord along with the piano. All right, A flat, D flat, F, which is the same chord as we played here, but it's an inversion. It's up higher. Left hand goes to D flat. Now, you can do several things here. You can let the left hand play it low, E flat, F, A flat. So, again, don't blur the pedal, or let the right hand play it. Okay, both times. So this is the same chord here, same chord for 2 measures, and then I hear the bass guitar go F, G flat, so we can do that. So now we have a G flat chord, G flat, B flat, D flat, left hand on a G flat, and I have A flat in parentheses because I hear that note in there, in that G flat chord a little bit, so you can mix that in as the measure goes on. Sounds neat. All right, so let's do it all. Here we go from the very beginning. 1 and 2 and ready and go. 1. Third time. 4th time. Bob starts singing. All right, guys. So that intro is really easy if you leave out the da-da-da part. So maybe a recommendation for you is to play it without that first, get really used to the rhythm, the tempo of the song, and then you can put those little fills in later on. But they really sound cool if you can fit them in, if you're able to do that. Guys, again, all the lessons are on webpianoteacher.com. Make sure you download the sheet for your practicing. Have a great day. Talk to you later.